Until I can't give you anything until everybody comes. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Right.
So if Evan, how long should I wait?
Oh, we have lots of, it's not supposed to start till 5. So
oh, okay.
The problem is we have you in the high school division because that's how
because of Evan.
Why is that?
Some of the parents couldn't coordinate the kids to come, so our kids are very excited. So we wanted to still come. It's our first year, so we can only watch her. Okay.
We'll put, if you want to, if he does not come, we'll put you in the elementary division.
Oh, that'd be great.
But it'll be 2.
It's only 2 of them. Well, right now it's only 2 of them, and we're only expecting maybe Evan. Okay. Okay. I'm fine. And they can put us do it.
So you excited, Noah?
Yes.
Yes?
Very.
And you see your cubes? And that's Noah. And this is Jonathan. This is our squad. I'm excited. This is great stuff. What's up, Evan? All right. Glad you could come, man. Very excited. Really appreciate it. All right. Noah's been looking forward to it, man. Thanks.
I know. I had better than me. Oh. Okay, I've never used one of these. I got screwed up. There's 2 starters. Can I use your team? Yeah.
I'm going next after you.
My friend is, sorry.
Well, I was waiting way before your friend, so.
I'm freaking mixing it up, dirt. I knew that. Yeah. Wait, where's my white? Alright, hit reset. Oh, thanks. Okay. Got this, partner. I believe in you. I don't. But muffins. I want to.
Nice. Good job, buddy.
High five. What the heck? I'm not that good.
56 seconds. Great.
Mix it up. I'm getting ready.
Lights on so you can go.
Fernando. No, I put down. Alright.
How many do you have? 4?
3, really.
It's a new time! It's a new time! Alright, I'm next. No, he's next.
Yeah.
No, I'm not good. I'm not good.
I don't have to explain that.
It's him.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm so used to it.
Stay focused, Papa. Don't worry about the time.
Oh, it does. Well, smiling is naturally the picture. Because I'm smiling and I stop and then wow. That was like 1 second.
Nice job.
55 again. All the parents and such. Over here are the tables where the teams will be lined up. It's actually very cool. It's table 1. On down 2, 3, 4, and 5. And take a look at the crowd that's cheering them on as the event continues. Teams from all over. Very excited.
I start the time, so I'm going to look at you guys, and I'm going to have my hands on the timer, and we're going to have a signal. What should it be? Should we say 3, 2, 1, start? What do you think we should do? You like that? I'm going to push the thing, and you guys can start. Okay, so now
you take your hands off of it.
Oh, is that what she said? Yeah. I'm glad you were listening.
Hands on, then hands off.
Yeah.
Okay, take my hands off. So then I'm going to be, look now, I'm going to be standing like
She's
this.
She's going to keep time stopped.
Until you're done, right? And when you solve the last cue, I'm going to hit the thing, and it's going to tell us how much our time is. Back in the train. That's a good idea, yeah.
making.
Why so fast?
It's okay, you're doing a great job. You guys are doing great. You're doing awesome. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Good job, Jonathan. Good job.
There we go. Getting down to the end. Look at that. Wow. Amazing.
Oh, you have to put your hands on Jonathan. You have to put your hands on the table. Okay.
The two left they're working on. Evan and Noah.
When you guys
And the
finish,
last two.
whenever you guys finish, you got to put your hands on the table.
There you go.
I'm ready. I'm ready. When I see the last hands right here. Okay, so I need to see the last hands on the table. All right.
Yes.
That's one. All right,
He's
okay,
good.
no, you finished that.
All right.
Okay, Evan. Evan's got his hands
Take it
the
on
table.
home, Noah. Take it on home,
All
boy.
right, here we go, Noah.
Last cue.
Last one.
La galera.
Great
work. Great job. Just a little over a minute for each one. That was awesome.
Oh, you want to take a photo? You guys around your timers. Why don't you take it around your timers? Quick.
Tell me about the experience, man. How did it go? How'd you feel about it?
Good.
Tell me about the experience. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Really? Are you excited?
Yeah.
How did you feel at the end once it was all over and everybody was clapping for you?
I felt relieved.
You said he felt what? Awesome? Yeah, it was
So
awesome.
all right, Evan, see if you can sum up your feelings for me winning the championship.
It's the best feeling in the world.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You did a fantastic job. Can we look forward to having you here next year?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So, tell me, just generally, how did you feel when you were doing all the cubes? Was it difficult for you? Did you get tired?
I mean, I didn't really get tired. It just some cubes were hard to turn, and others were just easier. Some of them were just, easier to turn.
So, what do you want to say to all your fans out there?
Keep cubes.
I did it.
Yeah, I did it.